Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in today's class, that is English class of class 10th. So students, in the previous video we have discussed our two determiners, so we can say two articles, they are A or N, and in today's video we will discuss the next article, that is the, and we will see all the different uses of this article, and at the end of the video we will also discuss the omission of articles. We will see some of the rules, some of the sentences where we cannot use any article, okay? And yes, in today's video we will complete with our topic, that is determiners. So now let's begin our today's video, that is based on the definite article, that is the. So first of all, let's see use of the definite article. In the previous video we have discussed this thing, that A or N, they are known as indefinite article, but this is the definite article. Why? Because A or N, they are used in a very general sense. They are not indicating a very particular person, particular thing, but with the help of the, we are indicating, we are expressing a very particular person, or we can say a very particular thing. This is the reason that the article, this is known to be a definite article. So now first of all, let's see all the different uses where we have to use this definite article, where we can use article the. So let's see, the is used when we wish to particularize a noun. So this is the most important thing that we have discussed earlier also. Whenever we want to particularize a thing, so at that time, we have to use this definite article, that is the. The is used when we speak of things, or we can say persons, etc., in the specifying sense, okay? So when we are talking about a particular person, when we are talking about a specific person or thing, so at that time we have to use this article. It can be used before all nouns. It means singular noun, plural noun, countable noun or uncountable noun. Again we are having a difference, because in the previous video we have discussed this thing, that A or N, they are used only and only before singular noun, because in a sense A or N, they actually mean one, so they are used only for singular noun. But now when we are talking about this article, that is the, so we are having this thing that this can be used before all nouns, and with this term all nouns we actually mean before singular or plural, or before countable or uncountable. So before all the nouns we can use this article the. The specification may be based on several factors. So now we have discussed that when we want to talk about specific thing, specific object, or we can say particular object, then we are using this article. But this specification, it may be based on several factors. So now we will see all these factors. So let's see first, when we speak of things which are the only ones in their kind, that is unique things. So first of all, this article is used before the things that are very unique, or we can say they are the only ones of their kind. So all the things, they are unique, or we can say they are the only one. So before all these things, so we always use this article, that is the. So let's see some of the unique things. For example, we are having the sun, the moon, the earth, the sea, the sky, the ocean, the world, the universe, etc. So before all these words, they all these things are we can say unique, and they are just one of their kind. So before all these things, so we have to use this article, that is the. Next, when we speak of a particular person or thing, or one already referred, or which is clear from the context, something has been said about the thing, person before. Now we are having another use of this article. So now we are having in this point that when we are speaking of a particular person or thing, or one more option we are having, that we are talking about one already referred, or which is clear from the context. So what it means, it means that something has been said about the thing or person before. So now to understand this thing more clearly, we are having some of the examples over here. So let's see the first example that we are having. A boy met a girl, she was weeping. So now in this sentence we are having a before boy, we are having a before girl, and the second sentence is she was weeping, and now we are having pronoun. But just suppose if here we are having one noun, that is girl. So before girl, our answer will be the, because now we are talking about that particular girl. So our answer will be a boy met a girl, the girl was weeping. Second sentence is call the boy who is waiting outside. So here we are having the article before boy. Why? What is the reason? The reason is that here we are talking about one particular boy. Here we are talking about that boy who is waiting outside. But in this sentence we are having a before boy because this is a very general statement. But here we are talking about one particular boy. This is the reason we are having the article. So this is the use of the article. It is used when we are talking about some particular person, some particular things. Next is the tall man is our headmaster. Again we are having the article before tall man. Why? Again the same reason is here, because again we are talking about one particular tall man, the man who is our headmaster. We are referring to that man, and this is the reason we are having the article here before tall man. Next, the noun in the above examples have been specified or made definite by adding a qualifying word, phrase or clause. So now we are discussing the reason that why we are having the article in these examples, because now we are actually हम क्या कर रहे थे, हम एक स्पेसिफाई पर्सन के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, हम एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. एंड यस वी आर हैविंग सम ऑफ द क्वालिफाइंग वर्ड, फ्रेज और क्लॉजेज in this sentence, and because of that this was clear that we are talking about one particular, one special person or a thing. So let's see some more example. The water you drank was not clean. So here we are talking about that particular water that you drank. So this is the phrase. Because of that we can say that now we are talking about one particular, one special water that you drank, and now we are adding the thing that was not clean, and this is the reason we are having the article here. Next is put it on the shelf over the fireplace. So now we are talking about that particular thing, and this is the reason we are having the article here. Next is here are two apples, take the bigger one. So now we are saying that two apples are we are having, but now we are talking about the one that is bigger one. So this is the reason we are talking about that particular apple that is bigger in size. So when we are talking about one particular thing, so this is the reason we are having the article. Okay, so this is very clear now that we can use this article the whenever we are talking about some particular thing or person, and we want to specialize that person or thing. So you know, for that purpose we can use the article. Next use, when a singular countable noun is mentioned at first, we use a or an. When we refer again to the noun already mentioned, we use the. Again we are having another use. So now in this point we are having this thing that when we are using a singular countable noun for the very first time, then we have to use a or an. Okay, according to the sound, and according to the sound it actually depends that to whether we have to use a or an. But when we are using that singular countable noun for the very first time, then we have to use a or an. But if we are repeating that thing again, so at that time we have to use the. So what it means, let's see the example. I saw a beggar, the beggar came to me, I gave the food to the beggar. So here in our first sentence we are saying that I saw a beggar. For beggar we are using a, right, because this is the very first time when we are mentioning this name beggar. So first time we are using a. Next we are saying that the beggar came to me. So here we are using the before beggar. The same word is here, beggar here, but here we are having a, here we are having the. So this is the reason that you actually have to learn that when we are mentioning any singular countable noun for the very first time, then we have to use a or an. But when we are repeating that thing again, when we are mentioning the same person or thing again, then we have to use the. So now here we will make this sentence that the beggar came to me, I gave the food to the beggar. right? And this is a very common thing that we all see. This point is very much clear whenever we are reading any kind of story. Suppose we are having one story and in the first line we are having that once upon a time there was a king. So now whenever we will repeat this word king, so every time we have to use the article before the word king. So let's see how. Once upon a time there was a king. The king was very kind, brave and royal. One day the king was going to the forest. Okay, so like this we have to use this point, that when we are using any person or thing for the very first time, then we have to use a or an, and when we are repeating, when we are referring, when we are mentioning the same person, then we have to use the article. Next is when it is clear from the context that a particular person or thing is meant, we use the. Again we are having the same point, that when we are talking about a particular person, a particular thing, and this thing is very much clear from the context, then also we have to use the article. So let's see the examples. I was talking to the headmaster yesterday. So here also we are mentioning this thing, that we are talking about this particular person, we are talking about this particular headmaster of ours, and this is the reason we are having the article here before headmaster. The teacher wrote an outline of a story on the blackboard. Again we are having the article because we are talking about a particular person, particular thing. Next is the apples are rotten before the speakers. So here we are having the article before apples. Why? Because we are talking about those particular apples that are before the speaker, and this is the reason we are having the article, because we are referring to those apples that are lying there in front of us, and we are saying that the apples are rotten. So because we are talking about those particular apples, this is the reason we are having the article here before apples. Next, when a singular noun is used to represent the whole class of things to which it belongs, again another use of the article is used when we are having one singular noun, but in that sentence that noun is used to represent the entire class, the whole class. So in that case also we have to use the article. Let's see the example. The camel is the sheep of the desert. So in this sentence we are not talking about one camel also, we are saying that this camel represents the entire class of camel, and this is the reason we are having the article here. So in this sentence, in the previous video we have discussed that we can use a or an also. So these are the different ways to write the same sentence. Okay, so here we are having this example. The camel is the sheep of the desert. Next is the dog is a faithful animal. When the atom is spilled, it releases immense energy, and the lion is a noble beast. So in all these sentences, when we are having lion, when we are having atom, when we are having dog, so here we are not talking about one thing only, but we are talking about the entire, or we can say the whole class, and this is the reason we are having the article here in all these sentences. Next is before an adjective to make it a noun in the plural. This is another use, and now in this point we are using the article before an adjective. And why? To make it a noun in the plural. So what it means, let's see the examples. The poor are always with us. So we all know that poor is a kind of adjective, right? But here we are having the article before poor. Why? Because we are talking about all the poor people here, and we are making this adjective as a plural noun, and this is the reason we are having the article here, and we are talking about all the poor people, and we are saying that all the poor people are always with us. Next is the rich should help the poor. Again we are having the article before rich. Rich, again it's a kind of adjective, but here we are having the article because we are trying to make this adjective as a plural noun, and we are talking about all the rich people. Next is the educated should teach the illiterates. Again educated and illiterates, these are the adjectives, but we are using the articles because we are trying to make these words as a plural noun. So this is another use of this article, the when it is used before an adjective, when we are talking about the plural noun. So in that sense we can use this article before the adjectives also. Next is before an adjective in the superlative degree. Again we are having adjective, but now we are having superlative degree. I am very much sure that you all are aware with the 3 degrees of adjective that we are having: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So whenever we are having superlative degree of the adjectives, then always we have to use the before the superlative degree. Let's see the example. The best essay will get a prize. The darkest cloud has a silver lining. The tallest boy was made the captain. So all these words, best, darkest, tallest, these are the superlative degrees of the adjective. Best is the superlative degree of good, darkest is the superlative degree of dark, and tallest is the superlative degree of tall. So when we are having superlative degree, so before these words we have to use the article. So whenever we are using superlative degrees of the adjective, then always we have to use the article. Next, use the before a comparative adjective to denote selection out of 2. So in the previous slide we were discussing about the superlative degree, and in this point we are having that if we are having a comparative degree, so that then also we can use the article if we are trying to denote selection out of 2. So what it means, let's see the example. This is the more beautiful to the 2 toys. So here we are having 2 toys, we are talking about the 2 toys, and we are trying to denote the selection. We are trying to choose one toy, and we are having the more beautiful. We know it's a comparative degree, but we are using the article here before comparative degree also. Why? Because we are trying to denote the selection. We are choosing one from the 2 options. Second example that we are having is Radha is the more beautiful of the 2 sisters. Again we are talking about 2 sisters, and we are having more beautiful, that is a comparative form of adjective, but again we are having the article. Why? Because from the given 2 options we are choosing one, right? We are selecting one option, and this is the reason we are using the article before comparative degree. Okay, so yes, the article, it is always used before superlative degrees, and it is used before comparative degree also if we are trying to choose one option from the given 2 options, like the examples that we have seen. Next, before an adjective to indicate an abstract idea. Another use, in this use also we are using the article before an adjective, and when we are trying to indicate an abstract idea. So let's see the example. He is a lover of the good, the pure and the beautiful. So all these words, good, pure, beautiful, all these words are adjectives, and we are having the before these adjectives. Why? Because we are trying to indicate abstract idea. We are talking about something or someone that is having all these qualities, that is having the quality of goodness, pureness and beauty. So to we can say to represent this abstract idea, we are using the here before all these adjectives. Next, as an adverb to show that 2 things increase in the same proportion. So yes, it is also used as an adverb when we are trying to show that there are 2 things and both the things are increasing in the same proportion. So let's see the example. The more the merrier. So here we are having 2 things. We are talking about the 2 things, and we are saying this thing that the more the merrier. It means यानी वो जो चीज है वो जितनी क्वांटिटी में ज़्यादा होगी हम उतने ही ज़्यादा हैप्पी फील करेंगे, राइट? सो दोनों ही चीज़ें इक्वली इंक्रीज हो रही हैं. जैसे जैसे क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज हो रही है वैसे वैसे हैप्पीनेस इंक्रीज हो रही है, राइट? सो टू शो दिस थिंग दैट वी आर हैविंग 2 थिंग्स एंड बोथ द थिंग्स आर इंक्रीजिंग इन द सेम proportion, we can use the article here. One more example we are having. The higher you go, the cooler it get. Again we are having higher and cooler, 2 things we are having, and both the things थिंग्स आर इंक्रीजिंग इन द सेम प्रपोर्शन, बिकॉज जैसे जैसे सी लेवल से हाइट बढ़ती जाएगी वैसे वैसे जो कोल्ड है वो भी बढ़ता जाएगा, राइट। सो दोनों ही चीज़ें सेम प्रपोर्शन में इंक्रीज हो रही हैं। जैसे जैसे हम सी लेवल से हाइट पे और हाइट पे जाते जाएंगे उतने ही ज़्यादा ठंड वहाँ पे होती जाएगी। सो दिस इज द रीज़न, बिकॉज बोथ द थिंग्स दे आर इंक्रीजिंग in the same proportion. So to represent, to indicate this thing, we are using the article here. Next, before the names of directions, so we always use the article before the directions, like the examples we are having the north, the south, the east and the west. But you have to remember, you cannot use article before South Africa or North America. So yes, here also south, north, you can say that they are direction, but no, here we are having South Africa, South America, we are having countries name. So just remember this thing. If you are having direction, right, like north, south, east and west, then you have to use article the. But if you are having country name like South Africa or North America, then you cannot use article, then you have to use no article, right, in such conditions, because now here we are talking about the countries. These are the country names, South Africa, North America. Yes, they are having direction name in their name also, but actually they are the countries. So this is the reason we are not using any article. Next, before a noun with special emphasis, so what it means, the verb ends the word in a sentence. He is the hero of the day. This is just the thing I want. So in all these sentence, in all these example, we are actually trying to emphasis on the thing, and this is the reason we are using the article here. Next, before a proper adjective when the word nation or people is understood. So in this sense also we can use the article when we are having a proper adjective and we are having a word nation or people that is very much understood. So let's see how. The French are more cultured than the English. So here we are talking about all the French people, okay. Here we are talking about all the English people, and this is the reason we are having the article. One more example, the English often fought the French. Again here English means all the people of English, or we can say all the people of England. Here the French means all the French people, and this is the reason we are having the article. Next, before the ordinals, it is used when the ordinals like first, fifth, last, etc. modify a noun. So if we are having ordinals in a sentence, then also we have to use the articles, and ordinals means like such words. If we are having first, second, third, fourth, fifth, right? So all these words are known as ordinals. So if we are having such words in the sentence, then also we have to use the article. Let's see some of the examples. He was the first, or we can say the last to come. Next is the 9th chapter of the book is very interesting. So we are having ordinals, we are having first, last, 9th, 4th, 5th, such words. So all these words are known as ordinals, and always we have to use the article before ordinals. Next, it is used before the word same, only, or we can say very. So these are some of the words, same, only, very, and before these words always we have to use the article. And some examples we are having, Vishnu is the only son of Devi Ram. Do you live in the same house? They are of the same age. So if we are having only, same, like such words, so before these words we have to use the article. Next, it is used to indicate the unit of the measure used in selling. So whenever we are talking about the measurement unit, okay, the unit that is used to sell something, so at that time also we have to use the article. Let's see the example. Sugar is sold by the kilo and cloth is sold by the meter. So kilos, meters, all these are the measurement unit, and this is the reason we are having the article here, okay. Next, before the name of a newspaper, magazine or a well-known book. So this is a very common, very general use, and we always use the article here whenever we are having a very famous newspaper, magazine or a well-known book. Some of the examples we can see, like we are having the Vedas, the Purans, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, the Mahabharata, the Gita, okay. So like these words that, or we can say these very famous books, magazine or newspaper, we have to use the article. Next is, it is used to refer to an invention as a distinct form from the others. So when we are talking about the invention that is very much distinct from the others, so at that time we have to use the article. The example we are having, the television is becoming popular now, not just one set, and we can see some of the similarity like the aeroplane, the radio and the telephone. So here when we are having this sentence that the television is becoming popular, so we are not talking about one television only, but we are talking about the invention of this thing, and this is the reason we are having the article here. Similarly, if we are having the aeroplane, the radio or the telephone, so when we are talking about the invention of something, then also we have to use the article. ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल दीज यूजेज आर अ वेरी जनरल यूज. और जब भी हम इंग्लिश में चैप्टर्स पढ़ते हैं और यू आर रीडिंग समथिंग, कोई स्टोरी बुक आप पढ़ रहे हो, कुछ न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हो, सो यू ऑलवेज यू कैन नोटिस द यूजेस ऑफ दिस आर्टिकल, दैट इज द, बिकॉज जो भी यूजेस हमने पढ़े हैं बहुत ही कॉमन यूज है और हर जगह हम इस तरह के सेंटेंस पढ़ सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. सो वी आर जस्ट समराइज ऑल द यूजेस ऑफ द आर्टिकल. सो मूविंग ऑन नेक्स्ट, it is used when a particular person is referred to by the office he hold or his title. So yes, another use when we are referring a person by the office or we can say by his title, then also the article is used. Examples, the president resigned, the king is coming, the principal Mr. Vyas. So whenever we are talking about one person and we are referring his title, we are referring his office, we are referring his post, then also we have to use the article, and the example we have discussed like this. Next, it is used in the phrases. So now we are having some of the phrases. These are known as fixed expression, or we can say fixed phrases. So always in these phrases we have to use the article. Let's see, in the morning, the evening, the afternoon, the day, the night, the central, the end, the beginning, the middle, the top. So these are some of the expressions, some of the phrases in which always we have to use the article, but we say all day, all night and all the time. So these are some of the exceptions that we are having here. So you have to remember this thing, that if we are having day, so always we have to use all day, all night and all the time, like in this manner. Next, it is used before little, few when a defining clause follows them. So these articles, the little, the few, these two articles we have discussed in the previous videos as determiners. When we were having the little, the few, when we were talking about the totality, and to show the totality we are using these two determiners. So in the same sense, if we are having little and few and we are talking about the totality, so at that time we can use the article. Let's see the examples. The few books that I had were burnt. The little milk in the pot turned sour. So here we are having a few, and here suppose we are having one blank. So now we are talking about entire books, all the books, total of the books that I was having, and all the books they were burnt. And to show the totality we can use the, and the determiner will be the few. Similarly here our determiner will be the little. Why? Because here we are talking about the total milk that was there in the pot. Okay, so to show totality we have to use the little, or we can say the few. Next, it is used before names of meals when the reference is to the food or they are spoken of as a social occasion. So whenever we are having meals and we are talking about a social occasion, so at that time also we can use the article. Let's see the examples. The dinner was badly cooked. So here we are talking about that particular food, and this is the reason we are having the article and we are saying that the dinner was badly cooked. Next example is the dinner will be held in the hall. Again we are talking about one particular meal, okay, and we are giving this news that the dinner it will be held in the hall. So in this sense also we can use the article. Next, use the before the name of rivers, range of mountains and group of islands as so this is again very common use. So let's see the examples. Like suppose we are having rivers name like the Thames, the Nile, the Yamuna, the Godavari. Range of the mountains like we are having the Himalayas, the Araulis. And next is before the name of a ship or an aeroplane. Again, if we are having a very famous ship, very famous aeroplane, then also we have to use the article. Examples we can say the Emperor Ashoka, the Jal Durga, the Kanishka, the Delhi, the Meghdoot, etc. Right? So before the names of aeroplane, before the names of the ship also we can use the article. Next is before the name of musical instrument. So yes, before musical instrument also we have to use the article, like we are having the examples the harmonium, the guitar, the lyre, the flute, the sitar. So whenever we are talking about musical instrument, then also just remember we have to use the article. Next, use the before the name of the chief post. So whenever we are talking about some post that is very higher in rank, so then also we have to use the article, like we are having the example the headmaster, the principal, the chief minister, the president. So whenever we are talking about very higher post, then also we have to use the article. नेक्स्ट यूज द बिफोर द डेट ऑफ अ मंथ. सो ये तो बहुत ही जनरल यूज है जो हम सब करते हैं whenever we are writing any date. So always we have to use the. So let's see how. The 10th of May, or we can say the 7th of October. So whenever we are talking about any date of the month, so before date we have to use the article. Next, don't use any article before the name of a language, but use that to show nationality. So this is the thing that we have discussed earlier also. Whenever we are talking about nationality, then we have to use the article, but yes, at the same time we cannot use any article before any language. So what it means, let's see the example. The German speak German. So in this sentence we are having 2 times German, but focus carefully, read the sentence carefully. The first word German, it shows all the people of Germany, and this German means German language. So when we are talking about nationality, when we are talking about people, then we have to use the article, and when we are talking about language, so at that time we cannot use any article before language. So in this sentence the first German word actually means all the people of Germany, and second German is the language. So before people we are using the, before language we cannot use any article. One more example we are having the Indian speak Hindi. So Indian means all the people of India, so we are using the article here. Hindi is a language, so we cannot use any article before language. Clear? नेक्स्ट यूज द बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ सीज एंड ओशियन. सो हमने रिवर्स से पहले, माउंटेन से पहले हमने पढ़ा है. सिमिलरली इफ यू आर हैविंग वेरी फेमस सीज एंड ओशियंस, देन ऑल्सो वी हैव टू यूज द आर्टिकल. लाइक एग्जाम्पल्स वी आर हैविंग द ब्लैक सी, द इंडियन ओशियन, द अटलांटिक ओशियन. ओके, सो बिफोर फेमस रिवर्स, माउंटेन्स, ओशियंस, रिवर, और वी कैन से शिप और एरोप्लेन, ऑलवेज वी हैव टू यूज द आर्टिकल. Next is before the name of deserts also, like example we are having the Sahara, the Thar, the Arabian, the Kalahari, the Gobi. So all the famous desert जो होते हैं उनसे पहले भी हमें the article use करना है. Next is before the names of gulfs and canals, or we can say bays. Names of canals and gulf we are having here the Persian Gulf, the Bay of Bengal, the Panama Canal, the Indira Canal. Okay, so जितने भी famous canals हैं, gulf है, so उनसे पहले भी always we have to use the article. नेक्स्ट इज बिफोर द नेम ऑफ ट्रेन्स ऑल्सो. सो हमने इससे पहले शिप से पहले, एरोप्लेन से पहले हमने द आर्टिकल का यूज पढ़ा है. सिमिलरली इफ वी आर हैविंग फेमस ट्रेन्स, देन ऑल्सो वी हैव टू यूज द आर्टिकल. लाइक इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस, देन वी हैव टू यूज द. सिमिलरली वी आर हैविंग द चेतक एक्सप्रेस, द रावलपिंडी एक्सप्रेस. राइट, सो इन ऑल दीज वेज वी हैव टू यूज द आर्टिकल. Next is before the names of political parties. Yes, if we are talking about political parties, then also we have to use the articles. Examples we are having the Congress, the Janata Party, the CPI, or we can say the BJP. Okay, so students, all these are the uses of this article, that is the. Just remember one thing, that the it is known as a definite articles, and it is used before all the nouns. If you are having singular, plural, countable or uncountable, no matter, but you can use the if you want to show, if you want to indicate that you are talking about some particular person, some particular thing. So at that time you can use this article the. And we have discussed so many different uses also of this article when you were using the before adjectives also, right? So just read all the uses very carefully, learn all these uses. Okay, so now we have discussed the different uses of a and the, and now we will read the omission of articles. So yes, there are some rules, there are certain sentences in which we cannot use any article, so that is known as omission of articles. So let's see. So now we are having omission of the articles. Let's see. Articles are not used before a proper noun. So this is the first omission. If we are having a proper noun, so yes, we cannot use article before proper noun, and proper noun means name of a person. But yes, we are having exceptions also. So let's discuss the exceptions कि कौन-कौन से exception है जहाँ हमें article का use करना है. If we are having proper noun, then also we have to use article. So let's see the exceptions. Use a or an before the surname of a person when the speaker is unknown to the person. So this is the point that we have discussed when we were reading the uses of a or an, that when the person is unknown to the speaker, so at that time he can use a or an. Like the example we are having, Mr. Sharma came to see you. So here this is clear that this person, Mr. Sharma, this is unknown to the speaker. So at that time, yes, before proper noun he can use a or an. Next is use the before the surname used in plural to show the whole family. So if we are having the surname and that too in a plural form, and with that we are trying to show the whole family, so in that case we have to use the article. Yes, this is a proper noun, but in that case also we have to use the article if we are trying to show the whole family. How? Let's see. The Mathurs invited the Guptas. So here Mathurs and Guptas, yes, they are proper noun, but we are having the article here. Why? Because one thing that we have to observe, both the words are in plural form, right? And here we are trying to show the whole family, and we are saying that the entire family of Mathurs, they invited the entire family of Gupta. So yes, in this matter we can use the article before proper nouns also. Next use a or an before a proper noun used as a common noun to show his qualities. So this is the next use that we are having here, and according to this point we can use these two articles a or an before a proper noun also. But what is the condition? The condition is that when that proper noun is used as a common noun. Why? To show his qualities. So when we are having this kind of condition, so yes, in that situation we can use these two articles a or an before proper noun. So now let's see the example to clear this thing, to clear this point. The example first is India today needs a Gandhi. So in this sentence we are having Gandhi. We all know that Gandhi, it is a proper noun, it's the name of a person, but we are having this article before Gandhi. Why? Because here we are not talking about one person, but we are talking about the qualities of that person. We are talking about the personality of that person, and we are saying that in today's world we are actually need a person who are having the qualities of this great personality, who is having the qualities of Gandhi ji, and this is the reason we are using this article before Gandhi. Right? One more example we are having here. He is a good writer but not a Shakespeare. So again we are having Shakespeare, and before Shakespeare we are using this article a. And why? Because again we are not talking about Shakespeare, but actually we are talking about the good qualities of Shakespeare, who was a very famous writer, a very famous poet, right? So yes, this is the point, this is another use, and according to this point we can use these two articles before a proper noun, but the condition should be there that that proper noun is used as a common noun to show the qualities of that person. So in that condition we can use a or an before proper noun, like the examples that we are having here, like these two sentences that we have discussed. Next, use the before a proper noun used as adjective to compare. So if we are having a proper noun in a sentence but that proper noun is used as an adjective, why? To show the comparison. So in that sense we can use the article. Let's see how. Kalidas was the Shakespeare of India. So here we are actually comparing, right? We are doing the comparison and we are saying that Kalidas, he was just like Shakespeare, that is a very famous writer, very famous poet. So here we are trying to do the comparison and we are comparing these two famous personality and we are saying that Kalidas, he was just like the Shakespeare, and this is the reason we are using the article here before proper noun. Next example that we are having here is Bhabha was the Newton of India. Again we are doing the comparison. We are having two personality and we are doing the comparison and we are saying that Bhabha, he was the Newton of India, and this is the reason we are having the article here before proper noun also. So in this sense, when we are having a proper noun but that noun is used as an adjective, right, and we are doing a comparison, so at that time we have to use the article. Clear? So all these are the exception of this thing कि proper noun होते हुए भी हमें कहाँ articles use करने हैं. In exceptions के अलावा, if we are having a proper noun, then before proper noun we cannot use any articles, right? But just remember all the exceptions very well. Now we are having the second point that when we cannot use any article. Don't use any articles before the names of a village, city, state, country, subject, language, game's name of days, name of months, name of disease and name of season. So these are some of the points that you actually have to remember. You actually have to learn that when we are having any of these things we cannot use any articles. So yes, we cannot use article before the name of village. We are having village or city or state or country, it means any place. Okay, we are talking about subject, language, game, days or months or disease or season. So before that we cannot use any articles. So example we are having, he lives in America. Today is Sunday. He is suffering from tuberculosis. So here we are having America, that is a place. So this is a country. Now suppose यहाँ पे कोई village होता, town होता, city होता. So कोई भी place है in a form of village, town, city, country, continent. So at a time we cannot use any article. Next we are having, this is Sunday. So before day's name we cannot use any article. Next we are having tuberculosis, that is a kind of disease. So yes, before disease also we cannot use any article. But yes, we are having exception of this point also. So let's see the exception. He lives in the USA, or we can say the UAE or the UK. So yes, here before America we were not using any article. But if we are having USA, if we are having UAE, or if we are having UK, like such words if we are having, because here USA means United States of America, right? So here we are talking about a group of some एक बड़े ग्रुप के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे से पार्ट से मिलके वो ग्रुप बना है. So if we are having such words, so at that time you can use article. Okay, so this is the very important point that you have to remember. If you are talking about only one country, one village, one city or town, then we cannot use any article. But if you are talking about United States of America, right? So in this way, when we are talking about a large group, so that time we have to use the article. Okay, so always use the article before USA, UAE or UK. Next point, do not use any article before or after a possessive determiner. So if we are having possessive determiner in our sentence, then also we cannot use any article. So let's see the example that we are having. It is my book, he is my son. So we all know that my, this is known as possessive word. So because of this reason we cannot use any article here. So yes, if we are having possessive determiner in our sentence, then also we cannot use any article. Next, some fixed expressions without an article. So again we are having some of the fixed expressions, or we can say some of the fixed phrases, and in these phrases also we cannot use any article. So again you have to learn all these phrases. So let's read. We are having God, nature, providence, society, science, space before the names of a vehicle like by bus, by scooter, by air, go to bed, church, glass, college, hospital, go to work, prison, school, university, etc. So these are some of the expressions, these are some of the phrases, and we cannot use any article before these phrases. Okay, so read all these words very carefully, keep all these words in your mind, right, always. Next, again we are having some of the exception of this rule also. So let's see. By the way, in the wrong, at the beginning, in the end, on the other hand, on the contrary, on the whole, in the meantime, go to the office, go to the theater or cinema. So again we are having the some of the exceptions, and when we are having such patterns, then we have to use the articles like in this way. Next point of omission is don't use an article when countable nouns come in pairs. So if in a sentence we are having countable noun and actually we are having pair of those countable nouns, so then also we cannot use any articles. Like say, some of the example we are having, they are brother and sister. So here we are having one pair of brother and sister. This is the reason we are not using any article. Next is father and son are both blind. Again one pair we are having father and son, and this is the reason we are not using any article here. Next example is both husband and wife agreed to my plan. Again we are having husband and wife, we are talking about one pair. So whenever we are having countable nouns and as in pair, so at that time we cannot use any articles. And yes, we have seen, we have discussed some of the examples. Next point, after expressions such as sort of, type of, kind of, or we can say manner of, like examples we are having what sort of person he is, what type of house you live in. So these are some of the words, sort of, type of, manner of. If we are having such words, such expressions, then also we cannot use any article. Next point, before names of substances and abstract noun used in general sense. So yes, if we are having abstract noun, if we are having some substances, but we are talking about in a general sense, then we cannot use any article. Let's see how. Bread is the stuff on life. So bread, again it's we are talking about eatable thing. We are having sugar here, and the sentence is sugar is bad for your teeth. Next we are having wisdom is the gift of heaven. So bread, sugar, they are some of the substances, and wisdom is the abstract noun. But here we are talking about a very general thing, and this is the reason we are not using any article here. So if we are having any substance, any material, liquid thing, or we are having any abstract thing, so at that time we cannot use any article. But let's see the exception that we are having. Uncountable nouns take the when used in particular sense. So yes, again one exception is there, that when we are talking about the particular sense, so at that time again we have to use the article, because we are trying to indicate that we are talking about some particular or special thing. Let's see the example. Would you pass me the salt? Again salt is a kind of substance, but here we are using the article here. Why? Because in this sentence we are talking about that particular salt that is there on the table. So when we are trying to refer some particular substance, some particular thing, then yes, we have to use the article. But when we are talking about in a general thing, then before substances, before abstract thing, we cannot use any article. Next is the wisdom of Solomon is the great. So now we are having wisdom, that is abstract noun, but here we are having the article. Why? Because here we are talking about one particular person's wisdom. Here we are talking about one particular person, and this is the reason we are using the article here before abstract noun, right? So this is the exception that you have to always remember, that you have to be very careful about. Next point is before names of relations like father, mother, aunt, uncle, and also cook and nurse, meaning our cook and our nurse. So if we are having these relations like we are having father, mother, aunt, uncle, and if we are talking about our cook, our nurse, so in this sense also we cannot use any article. Let's see the example. Father has returned. So obviously in this sentence we are talking about our father, right? Aunt wants to see her cook has given notice. So like in this way, when we are talking about the relations, then also we cannot use any article, right? So students, we have discussed all the determiners that are there in their syllabus. We have discussed all the different uses. We have seen so many examples and we have done so many practice exercise also. And this topic, that is article, this also we have covered in our determiner topic also. We have discussed A and the all the articles in a very detailed manner. We have also seen omission of article. Okay, so practice very hard, read all the rules very carefully, learn all the things that we have discussed, and then I am very much sure you will be able to write the appropriate determiner in your exam. You will be able to find the error if there is any wrong determiner in the sentence, and then yes, you will be able to write the correct determiner, right? And in the next video we will start with our new topic. So just to be with me and see you in the next video. Thank you.